Spicebush swallowtail belongs to the Papilio family and inhabits the Nearctic ecozone. This family comprises the biggest butterflies in the whole world. They are low-flying butterflies that have unique feeding habits and appearance. They are common in North America and are also referred to as the green-clouded butterfly. In this video I will share with you 7 amazing fun facts about Spicebush swallowtail. Before we begin, we published new videos daily, so be sure to subscribe this channel for the great content. Without delay, let's start. They inhabit temperate climates, living in grasslands, savanna, and forests. Marshes, bogs, swamps and agricultural areas are some of its prime habitats. Deciduous woodlands abound with larvae of this species. Adults fly around this range as well. Roadside areas, parks, and shaded regions in the woods are dwelt by them. Females actively look out for host plants to lay eggs on them after copulating with her partner. Males and females are both promiscuous, but the trend is less probable in females than males. Drakes mate every day and the females mate several times in her entire lifetime. In order to mate, the males start watching over the flight path on hilltops and areas where host plants are located. Males exhibit courtship ritual for a moment when he meets with the females. They engage in puddling, which is a kind of behavior they exhibit while patrolling for mates or food sources. They also form groups and inhabit river banks and moist areas. They draw moisture from those areas during puddling. Images of Spicebush swallowtail. Spicebush swallowtail image during mating. Females prefer to be under direct sunlight unlike the males. Females use chemical as well as visual hints to locate host plants. Before finalizing the plant as a host plant, it beats it with its forelegs to identify the taste. During the metamorphosis of this butterfly, their diet changes. In the stage of the larvae, they feed on leaves and shrubs of the host trees that are aromatic in nature. They primarily subsist on spicebush and sassafras. Apart from that, they also feed upon sweet bay, red bay. Feeding on the host plant, however, is dependent on its availability in the certain region. These butterflies are being predated extensively by various predators throughout their life. Some of the predators which threaten their existence are dragonflies, spiders, robber flies and birds of different species. To feed on the nectar that lies deep in the flowers, they have been provided with long proboscis. Spicebush butterflies save themselves from predators by mimicking bird dropping and green snakes during the initial 2 stages of their lives. Summers are ideal to mate when they become adults. Copulation takes place after the initial procedures of finding a mate and impressing it via some rituals of courtship. Copulation continues for a long duration, sometimes exceeding an hour. The females then deposit their eggs on the host plants. It basically occurs during the summers from April to October in the southern parts of the range. When the eggs are laid, they are not being looked after specifically like other species. Larvae get fully developed by deriving nutrients from the eggs produced by the females. Eggs are laid on the part below the leaves, which appear like bird dropping in its larval stage. With time, this starts looking like snakes forming into pupae, that turn greenish during summers. With the beginning of fall, they assume brownish tinge and finally metamorphose into beautiful butterflies at the end of the cycle. Adults have a very little lifespan, which ranges from 2 days to 14 days. Sometimes when trees are planted for sheer ornamentation, they can be turned into host plants. Due to their slow flight, they can be easily caught. The females are very cautious while selecting the host plant so that its progeny is safe. An interesting experiment revealed that this species would rather die but eat anything not belonging to Lauraceae species of host plants. Courtship dances are common features for wooing the female. Please hit like and subscribe our channel for more amazing content in the future.